Artificial intelligence, AI, plays a crucial role in fraud detection through its capability in pattern recognition and anomaly detection. With access to extensive datasets, AI algorithms can sift through immense volumes of transactions and activities, identifying subtle patterns indicative of fraudulent behavior. By leveraging historical data, these systems learn to distinguish between normal and abnormal activities, enabling them to flag potentially fraudulent transactions or behaviors in real time. Through the analysis of various data points such as transaction amounts, frequencies, locations, and user behaviors, AI systems can detect deviations from established patterns. These anomalies may signify potential fraud, prompting further investigation by fraud analysts or automated response systems. Moreover, AI's ability to adapt and learn from new data ensures continuous improvement in fraud detection accuracy over time. By continuously refining their models based on feedback loops and ongoing training, AI-powered fraud detection systems can stay ahead of evolving fraud tactics and minimize false positives, thereby enhancing the security posture of organizations across various sectors. AI-powered systems have revolutionized fraud detection by enabling real-time monitoring and analysis of transactions, behaviors, and activities across multiple channels. By leveraging advanced algorithms and computational power, these systems can swiftly process vast amounts of data in real time, identifying suspicious patterns or anomalies as they occur. This instantaneous analysis is critical for detecting and responding to fraudulent activities promptly, thereby minimizing financial losses and damages. By flagging potentially fraudulent transactions or behaviors in real time, AI-powered systems empower organizations to take immediate action, such as blocking transactions, freezing accounts, or alerting fraud analysts for further investigation. Furthermore, AI's ability to adapt and learn from new data ensures that its detection capabilities remain effective against emerging fraud tactics and techniques. Continuous monitoring and analysis across various channels provide organizations with comprehensive insights into potential fraud threats, enabling them to stay one step ahead of fraudsters and protect their assets and customers in real time. AI leverages behavioral biometrics to establish unique user profiles, enhancing fraud detection capabilities beyond traditional methods like login credentials. By continuously monitoring and analyzing patterns such as typing speed, mouse movements, and navigation behaviors, AI systems develop a comprehensive understanding of individual user behaviors. This approach allows AI to detect unauthorized access or fraudulent activities, even when legitimate login credentials are used. For instance, if a user typically types at a certain speed and suddenly exhibits significantly different behavior, such as erratic mouse movements or unfamiliar navigation patterns, the AI system can flag this as suspicious activity. Moreover, behavioral biometrics provide an additional layer of security as they are difficult for fraudsters to mimic or fake. By incorporating behavioral biometrics into their fraud detection systems, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access or fraudulent transactions, safeguarding sensitive data and assets more effectively. AI systems excel in fraud detection due to their capability for adaptive learning and improvement. These systems continuously evolve, staying ahead of emerging fraud tactics and techniques. Through feedback mechanisms and ongoing training with new data, AI algorithms refine their models to enhance accuracy and efficacy in detecting fraudulent patterns. By analyzing past fraud instances and identifying new trends or patterns, AI systems can adjust their detection strategies accordingly. This adaptability enables them to recognize previously unseen fraud patterns and behaviors, mitigating risks posed by evolving fraud tactics. Moreover, AI's ability to minimize false positives is crucial for effective fraud detection. By continuously learning from feedback, AI systems refine their decision-making processes, reducing the likelihood of flagging legitimate transactions erroneously. This not only enhances the efficiency of fraud detection but also improves the overall user experience by minimizing disruptions caused by false alarms. Overall, adaptive learning empowers AI systems to maintain their effectiveness in combating fraud, providing organizations with robust protection against evolving threats in the digital landscape.